Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go ahead and put these in a pairing mode. Let's go ahead and take out the buds out of the case. Now after you take it out and you wait a few seconds, you'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these are blinking blue, 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 okay? But after a few seconds, I get like a solid blue light here. And then it goes off. The reason for me is because it's connected to another device near me. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. To manually put this in pairing mode, I just have to use one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter left or right. I could put it in my ear if I wish as well. But what you want to do is, on the touch sensor here, you want to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it blinks blue. If you keep it in the ear and you tap, tap and hold, it'll eventually say pairing, okay? But we're going to do it this way. So we're going to tap, tap and hold. Now just hold and wait till it starts blinking blue. These you gotta wait for like 6 or 7 seconds. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. It's blinking blue. So both of these should be blinking blue now. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Windows computer. Just go down to the search bar. Just do a search for Bluetooth. So we're gonna go Bluetooth and other device settings right there. We're gonna select Bluetooth and other devices. And then we're going to select up here, add Bluetooth other device. Select that, and then we're going to select the first one. It says Bluetooth here. Tap on that. Now I see this line going across there. Now it's searching for devices that's in Bluetooth, that's in pairing mode, that is near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. So these are still in the pairing mode, and what do you know? It found the JBL Vibe Beam 2 right there. Let me tap on that. It says connecting, and voila, we're connected, ready to go. Go ahead and select on done. And now you can see the JBL Vibe Beam 2 is just connected, okay? The other ones, I'm paired to this. I'm not actually connected right now, so just the JBLs are currently connected. And there you go, and you're ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these earbuds, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.